Okay, let's talk about how to control, grow, and preserve your wealth. First, we start with your income. You probably receive money from either your job or maybe you're a business owner. Maybe you are retired and you receive a pension, or maybe you're lucky and you get an inheritance, in either case, monthly or bi-monthly. You receive a paycheck. Now, when you get a paycheck, there's really only 4 things you can do with it. You can save it, you can invest it, you can spend it, or you can give it away. Or what if before we do those things, we first put that money into an area or a place that we control completely? Let's call this place your family bank. Now, when your money is inside your family bank, you earn dividends. You earn guaranteed growth for life. It's private. You control it. You earn tax-free growth. You can leverage and put your money at work in more than one place at a time. You receive protection in the form of a death benefit in case you die, and protection from creditors in case somebody tries to sue you. Your money is protected. And there's zero market volatility. And what does that mean? That means there's no losses ever. There's also opportunity, because when you have money, opportunity will find you. So you can use that money for investments or maybe big purchases such as a car or college tuition, down payment for a house, or maybe a wedding. Then, when you want to access that money because it's liquid, you take it out and you can invest, spend, and get with it. Okay, we get that part, but how do we do this? Well, it's kind of like a mortgage. So if you're familiar with homeownership, you understand that you make monthly mortgage payments to the bank. With each payment, a portion of that goes towards the principal balance of the home, and you build equity. Now, when you have enough equity built up, the bank may grant you a home equity line of credit, where you can access that equity and use it for whatever you want. Now, the family bank operates a lot like this, except with a few distinct advantages. 1. With the family bank, you own it, which means you control it. 2. It's always guaranteed to increase, unlike your house. The value of your house can go down depending on the market or the economy. The bank still has control with your home equity. And 3. There's no required repayments. No stress of minimum payment on a particular day of the month in short, unstructured loans. 4. There are no credit checks. No qualification requirements, as you may not have income or a good credit score/report from the credit bureau. You still have access to funds. Okay, so what product are we talking about here? Well, you may have heard it before. It's called whole life insurance. But more specifically, we use a specially designed life insurance contract, something you've probably never seen before. How it works is you capitalize your policy with premium payments. With each premium payment, a large portion of that goes towards cash value in your policy. Once it's there, it's locked in for good. It can never decrease in value, and it will never come out of there. Now, over here, we have a separate pot of money. This money is our reserves, held by a mutually owned life insurance company. Now, what is mutually owned? Well, simply put, you own the company, not stockholders, but you, the policyholder. When you want to access your cash value, you take a loan from the other part of money I collateralized with your cash value. No questions asked. You can spend the money however you see fit, and then you create your own repayment schedule. All the while, your cash has been sitting safely and securely inside that policy, enjoying all the benefits we discussed above. So, that's it. That's how you control your own wealth. If you want to learn more, I recommend buying this book, Becoming Your Own Banker by the late R. Nielsen Nash. Or you can reach out directly to any representative at Bella Life Financial with a website of bellalifegroup.com to discuss more details and how to properly design your policy. There are lots of financial advisors out there who say they do the same thing, but please be aware that if they are not using a whole life policy and a mutual company, then those are properly designed for family banking concepts. If you prefer a phone call, please contact 587-349-0068 or contact the person who sent you this link.